It ain't nothing but a chicken wing, so let's make some. Alright, so go to the store, grab yourself some chicken wings. I personally prefer Sam's Club. I'm gonna season my wings with some salt and pepper. Y'all already know I'm using my Fresh Jack seasoning. So first I'm gonna go in with their toasted onion, and then I'm going in with their garlic herb blend. And guess what, you guys? Fresh Jacks has hit me up and said they're gonna give me a $5 off code for you guys, so use this code to get $5 off. Anyways, then add some smoked paprika and some Dijon mustard. The Dijon mustard is just going to add that extra hint of flavor, and it's a binding agent for your wings. Now, for our breading, we're going to do 1 cup of flour, 2 cups of cornstarch for that extra crunch. And then I added my Fresh Jack seasonings again. And I'm going to use this sweet pepper honey chicken seasoning that I got from Walmart, and then just some salt, pepper, and smoked paprika again. Give that a good little mix, and now it's time to coat our chicken. Also, I forgot to add, I had my chicken in the refrigerator marinating for like 6 hours. It's not required, however, I do feel like it really helps that mustard and the seasonings to bind to the chicken, making it more flavorful in the end. Alright, once my grease got to 400, I threw my chicken in there. I'd say I let those cook for about 7 to 10 minutes, but that's just a guess. Honestly, I use a thermometer in my chicken to make sure it's done. Okay, now for our sauce. I did a half stick of butter, some buffalo sauce, honey, and some garlic. For the other half of my wings, I just left them plain and dry. And if you don't know, well, now you know. You can follow along for more recipes.